Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can use text to speech on ChatGPT, and it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you guys. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification turned on, and let's move on. So the first step you want to do is go on your browser, and on your browser you want to search for talk-to-chatgpt, and once you do that it's going to bring you over here. Once you're in this website, you can click on add to Chrome to add this extension to your Chrome, and you need to do that first. So click on add extension and add it on your browser. Now wait for some time until it's added. Now once it's added just like this, what you can do is you can go to ChatGPT now. So I'm going to go to the official website of ChatGPT, and once you're in the official website you can see this little option at the top right corner, so you guys can talk to ChatGPT now. So to ask a question, what you want to do is click on this. Once you click on this, this thing is going to be red, and once it's red it means it's listening to your voice. Alright, so unmute it. Who invented Google? Now it's going to search for it. As you guys can see, it auto typed it. Okay, now I'm not going to make it read this entire thing, but you understand what I'm trying to say. Just unmute these two, click on this and speak, and it'll search for it and even like talk to you or give you the answer written in the screen. So that's how this works. Hit that subscribe to our channel One Step, and bye bye.